Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna make keto cookies because right now I'm on keto diet and you get to have keto ice cream. It's really good. And my mom is gonna tell us all the ingredients.
Hello Camilla's followers. Camilla is trying keto diet because she has a lot of problems with her tonsils, so we're trying to change her diet. She's not on a diet, she is just eating less carbs and high fat diet. No sugar, no bread, stuff like that. So she's trying a different diet to see if her tonsils get better. So right now we're gonna try a recipe, this cookies recipe. This is our first time doing it, so let's see how it turns out. And these are the ingredients that we are going to use. If any of you guys want to try, in the description below I'll leave all the ingredients name because they're kind of weird to pronounce.
Let's get started. So we're gonna add the butter.
Yeah, now we're gonna add the flour, 1.5 cups.
And keep mixing.
Add the baking powder.
Which
is
one?
this one.
Oh, okay. Now this is a baking powder.
And this is xanthan gum to make it chewy and stay together. And the sweetness.
Yeah.
We are adding the egg.
Egg time. The whole thing?
No, one splash of vanilla, just like a little bit, a drop.
Oh, that smells. The cookie dough kind of looks like ice cream.
Okay, now we are adding the most important ingredient.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips, yeah.
The dark chocolate chips.
And the dough looks like this.
Kind of looks like ice cream.
Just like a cookie dough.
Oh, can I try?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yep.
I want to take another bite of the dough. I'm just so excited to eat it.
We don't have baking paper, so we're gonna spray some oil on this pan so that it don't stick. Now with the spoon, we're gonna put a little ball. Can you squish it? Yeah.
Wow.
3 of them in each.
I'm putting it very neatly.
Now we're gonna bake this for 50 minutes at 350 degrees.
We're gonna do the taste test of the keto cookies that when they sound so bad now.
Okay, go ahead, guys.
Oh wow, this one's big. Oh my god, it's so good. Wanna have a bite? Oh. Really good.
So you guys like it?
Texture is like a 5 out of 10, but taste is like a 1,000 or a million. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye.
So Camilla's keto cookies turns out they taste good. They break so easy, really easy. Some of them got destroyed, but the taste is good.